Today I want to share with you a relationship tip. So this one is for the moments when you're in a fight, you're in a conflict, and things are just going around in circles, and seems to be nothing that you can say, no words that will make it better. And you feel like everything that comes out of your mouth is digging this hole deeper. So in those moments where you feel completely stuck, you feel like you're just up against each other and there's nowhere to go. Here's a living meditation that you can use to bring a little space and to bring a little breathing room and healing energy into this interaction. This is a living meditation, which means you're not doing it alone in your room in lotus position. You're doing this in real time in the world. And you can do this so that it's not apparent that you're doing it. You can be doing this undercover. As you're participating in the conversation, as you're participating in life, you can be doing this powerful meditation at the same time. So this is called Atisha's Heart Meditation. And it works on the principle of the Anahata chakra. And the Anahata chakra has this unique position of being a naturally harmonizing agent. So it's right in the middle of the chakra system. There's 3 chakras above and 3 chakras below. So Anahata has the natural role of bringing together the heaven cosmic energies and the earth energies, bringing our spiritual and physical selves together. In Sanskrit, the word Anahata means unstruck. And one of the interpretations of this is that Anahata is unhurtable. There's nothing you can do to leave a mark or leave a scar on the deepest layers of our heart. And that's an important distinction because we've all experienced heartbreak. We know how painful things can feel in the heart. But that's our superficial heart. If we can go down into the deepest layers of Anahata, it's like this ocean that can't be damaged, even by taking the sharpest, most devastating sword and attacking the ocean. It can't leave a mark. It can't leave a scar because that ocean is unhurtable, unstruck. So we'll be working with the principle of the deepest heart in this meditation. So I'll guide you through the steps so you get a sense of what it feels like. When you're doing this, you can be standing, you can be sitting, you can be laying. There's really no restrictions on this. And there's a breathing pattern that helps but isn't necessary. So if you want, you can breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. And when we breathe out through the mouth, we're connecting to our lower chakras. We're connecting to our sensations and landing in our body. And that's an important point whenever you're in conflict. Because conflict is in the mind. So if you can bring yourself back to your body, that already will start to loosen the grip of whatever conflict you're feeling. So the first step for Atisha's heart meditation is to draw your attention into your heart space. And I want you to feel your heart as this wide expanse. Imagine your heart space expanding further and further out of your body. And you can picture it like a clear blue sky, an infinite blue sky. And as you expand your heart space, you'll start to feel more room inside you. Suddenly there's a quality of spaciousness inside you. And once you've reached that, you're connected to your deeper heart space. You're connected to Anahata that is unstrikable, unhurtable. And once you're there, you can start to breathe in the pain of the situation. You can start to breathe in all those hurts that are perhaps floating around your field. So on your inhale, you're breathing in the hurt and the pain. And on the exhale, you're sending out love. And as you breathe in, you're allowing that pain to dissolve and dissipate into this wide blue sky. The heart has these incredible transformative powers. So imagine that your heart is transforming this pain and this hurt. And like an alchemical experiment, it's changing these particles into lighter particles of love and forgiveness and happiness. And continue like this until you feel more space, until you feel like there's room for you two to exist, that there's a possibility that this conflict might have a resolution. Continue breathing in to the heart, transforming those particles of hurt, pain, and then sending out bright, shiny particles of light. You can imagine that you can see them coming out your heart and just coating the space around you, maybe coating your partner, the person in front of you, with love. So try this whenever you need it, and post your questions or comments. Let me know how it goes. Have a good day.